Hello guys, today we're gonna solve a financial math problem. This is about a repayment of a loan, and then I know there is a different kind of loan like student loan, car loan, mortgage loan, and for those kind of loan you have to give a periodic payment. It can be monthly, quarterly, annually, and then and to solve those kind of loan, we're gonna use a Google Sheet. Let me make a zoom so that you can read with me the problem. They say your company is planning to borrow $1 million in 5 years and 15% annual payment, fully amortized term loan. The question is, what fraction of the payment made at the second year will represent the repayment on the principal? When you get a loan in you have every month or year, in this case it's every year, okay, at the end of every year you do a payment. But when you do the payment, not all the payment is applied to reduce, the the principal. Since part of the payment part of the payment would be applied to the interest and part of it would be applied to reduce repayment of the payment, okay? Not all of the payment, because you have to pay interest, guys. It's not free, okay? So you got some kind of problem, you read it and you try to understand it. So I already do the job for you. The present value is 1 million. It's the money that you borrow right now, and the rate is 15%. I put it in decimal value and the period is 5 years. So now the question they say what fraction of the payment made at the end of the second year. So first of all I have to figure out the payment. So with no scientific calculator, with no Excel, with Google Sheet. So first of all, I'm going to try to figure out the payment, okay? So before trying to figure out what part of this payment, I have to figure out the payment. So let's do that. I put an equal sign and then payment, PMT, and parentheses. I got the value. First of all, I have to get the rate. The rate, I click on this, 15%, comma, and then number of period is 5. Click on this, 5, comma, and then present value. The present value is 1 million, and then I already got it. Normally, when you have periodic payment like that, your future value is 0. You can put 0 or nothing. Okay, it's really up to you. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I can just press enter. Like you can see, my payment is negative. Why is negative? Because normally you borrow the money, that's an inflow, you got it, but you're gonna pay, that's gonna be an outflow. So generally, payment and present value, they have different value, because for the borrower, that's an input, you got it and you're gonna pay it. But for the lender, it's dependent. If you put present value negative, the payment gonna be positive, okay? That's the way it works. Now, so which means for the first year, that's what I'm gonna pay. But understand, not all of these gonna be applied. So interest, they're gonna be the interest. So which means, let me show you which means the interest. Let me put an equal sign. It's gonna be the multiplication. I put multiply. Let's say multiply. It's gonna be a multiplication between the present value, comma, and then the rate. Okay, there you go, I got it. So my interest for the first year gonna be 150,000. That's gonna be the interest. So out of this, I have to subtract the repayment for the first year, what I'm gonna pay. Let me put it positive so that I can do it here. Let's say 298,315.55. Okay, so so what's it gonna be? the repayment gonna be, let me put an equal sign here, it's gonna be this one, that's when the payment minus the interest. There you go. So that's why I pay. That's why I pay. That's gonna be the repayment. So normally my balance, the new balance is no more 1 million. My new balance, if I put an equal sign here, it's gonna be the 1 million minus what I pay here, the repayment. Okay, there we go. That's why I have. That's why I have. That's gonna be my new balance. So I didn't just minus 200,000, 298,215. I just minus and 148,215.55. Okay, so that I reduced 1 million. So that's my new balance. Now, let's understand. For the second year, I will still have the same payment. It's still gonna be the same payment, 298,315.55. That the same payment is not gonna change. But the interest is gonna be different right now. Since the interest is gonna be applied to the new balance. So my interest is gonna be equal. Let me put the multiplications, the function multiply. So it's gonna be this new present value, comma, by the rate. There you go. That's gonna be my new interest. Okay. So since I have a new interest, I'm gonna have a new repayment. Okay. Which means my repayment gonna be the payment minus the interest. Okay. There you go. So that's my value. Let me put it in red so that you can see. So the question, what fraction of the payment made at the end of the second year will represent repayment of the principal? That's going to be this one. Okay, so that's the same payment. Okay, at the end of the second year, I still pay this payment, but part of it gonna be the interest. The interest gonna be the rate times the new balance. I don't have the same balance. Okay, that gives me my interest. Since I have a new interest, the repayment gonna be the payment minus the interest. So 117,550.62.88. That's why I pay on my principal. So which means if I have the third year, I'm gonna have a new balance. The new balance gonna be this balance minus this one. Okay? Now that's the solutions. But you know, guys, there is a way to do it quickly. There is a formula that they call it payment on payment on principal investment. That's the formula. One time, you just click the rate. Let me see the rate. I click on the rate, and then comma, and then I click on period. Which period? Second period, comma, and then number of period. Number of period is 5, comma, and then I got present value. The present value is 1 million, comma, and that's it. That's it, guys. So you got it. You got it. So that's why you pay. It's negative, I understand, because it's the way pay. This is an outflow, okay? You see exactly. You got it. Okay, that's a way to find out quickly. Okay. I hope that was helpful, guys. See you for my next video.